live on 10 Tampa Bay News.
Local groups team up to feed seniors this holiday.
I mean, we could be anywhere, and we choose to be here.
The free meal building connection and community.
Well, during the holidays, seniors are one of the most vulnerable groups, often facing loneliness or even food insecurity.
And so tonight, 3 local groups teamed up to host a Friendsgiving for dozens of Tampa Bay area seniors.
10 Tampa Bay photojournalist Kyle Porter shows us how the free meal is also providing connection and community.
Dashing through the snow.
Thank you. Lead the way.
One horse open sleigh. Good to meet you.
Good to meet you, Greg.
What fun it is.
Oh, here comes more people.
Sleighing song.
Get me out of the house, being with people that I like.
Well, there are a lot of people that get to be older and they're isolated or alone.
I would definitely call it a Friendsgiving.
I want something that's fattening. Wonderful. Cranberry. Thank you.
It says to me that something like this is needed. You know, people need a place, not only just get together with old friends, but also meet new friends.
I'm Oscar. Who are you?
Ken.
Ken?
Yeah. A lot of individuals in the senior community, especially individuals that don't have children, they probably experience disproportionate amounts of loneliness.
I mean, I've had HIV for 35 years now, more than half my life. Almost 3 years ago, I lost my partner, and I was looking for something to get me out of the house, and I came across this group.
The table can always be bigger, and that's kind of the theme. We've expanded it to the entire community, not just individuals in the LGBTQ community, but all seniors, all individuals needing community, needing a Friendsgiving.
This is our Thanksgiving. I love these guys. I can honestly say I think they saved my life.
Sleep in heaven.
Holidays can be tough for a lot of people, and this is a great event. Empath Health, UNITY Moffitt, and Nurse Next Door put on this event. About 30 seniors were in attendance.